popcorn, food truck here. Gate of the entrance. Too much public here. There go, enjoying today. How are you, dear? How do you feel? Bahrain Food Festival?
Yeah, we come to food festival.
Today first time? First day?
No, it's like a third one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Uganda.
Uganda. Okay. So I have friends from Uganda.
Okay,
Thank
where
you.
are from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Nice.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Okay. Food Festival 2024 is going on at Marrasi Al Bahrain. This is the gate of entrance. We are still now. Let's go. What's going on? At Marrasi Al Bahrain, today 14 February 2024 at time Bahrain, 4 o'clock now. See the gate of entrance is the food festival. Today we'll be enjoying it. Let's see what's going on. Coffee shop here. Bahrain Food Festival is going on 2024 at Marrasi Al Bahrain. The beach view, Marrasi Al Bahrain, food truck here. Somebody come here to visit Marrasi Al Bahrain. Popcorn here, juices here, water here. Anybody need anything?